Welcome, welcome, welcome to a super extra duper, super duper duper bonus upload. Thank you, Pat, so much for your yummy trail mix recipe. And of course, I want to share this. Thanks for sharing it with me. And it'll probably run you literally about 25 bucks to make. Uh-oh, did I just say that? But it yields a lot. Yields a lot. You can make a whole bunch of trail mix for yourself. You put it in a container, or you make small bags of this to, carry with you, or to give as friends. And on the thumbnail and even behind me, you could vaguely see that the trail mix that Pat made was placed inside of Halloween bags or fall bags, like giveaways. So this is in case you don't mind spending about 25 bucks, or you could cut it down to a smaller version that works for you, to scale it down for what works for you. But here's an overall way to make this. Oh my word. So you're going to start off with 2 cups of mixed nuts, like the type that are sold. You could get, the one in a can, like by that company. It begins with letter P. You could get either the salted or the unsalted cans of the mixed nuts, okay? You need to rather also add 1 cup of walnuts, 1 cup of peanuts, 2 cups of pecans or pecans, whatever way you say it, 1 cup of dried mixed fruit or raisins, or even both. And that includes the light raisins or the dark raisins, if you like raisins, okay? 1 cup of pretzel rods, or the curled type of pretzels, okay? Yum. 1 cup each of semi-sweet chocolate morsels, M&Ms, peanut butter morsels. Oh my gosh. Stir all of this together, and you could put this in those sandwich type of storage bags to give away, or to simply store in a container, as I mentioned earlier. Now, other versions don't have the candy. It's always, tailored to your own way. But you can also use banana chips or dried apricots or cranberries. Again, light or dark raisins, or you just omit that. Tailor make it to your own. Yum. This is a great thing to make little bags of, or make the whole thing up, and use it as you need it. Carry along with you, if you're on a long car trip or something. This is just something to really consider. Thank you so much for your contribution of this recipe. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you so much for listening on this unexpected super duper 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 upload triple day today bonus upload. Have an amazing, fantastic day, everybody. Take good care of yourself and your family. Bye-bye.